Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you my summer everyday makeup look slash no foundation makeup tutorial. Okay guys, so let's begin. So first I already put this one and spray all over my face, the MAC Prep and Prime Fix in the scent Cherry Blossom. So I already sprayed all over my face. So next, I'm going to use this one from Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. This is the travel size. So guys, I just want to share with you this one because lately I've been loving and doing it every single day. And it's a no foundation makeup tutorial. And sometimes, guys, I don't put concealer. It depends if I look that my under eyes and the dark spot is very visible, it's really showing, or any blemishes, I put concealer. So let's see today if I'm going to put concealer. Yesterday, since I noticed that my eyebrows is a little bit bushy, I don't want to put any eyebrow pencil or any color, so I just use the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. So there, like I'm confused what's next. Okay, since I'm done with the primer, what do you think of my under eye? Do I need more coverage? This one is a new pimple and I hate it, guys. So let's cover my blemishes and my under eye. I'm going to use LA Pro Conceal in the shade Light Ivory. So this is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to use my fingertips. You know, I don't know what's this. You know, normally if my hair here is growing, it's always like that. So I don't know what's that. So let's cover the blemishes using my fingertips. So you can use brush if you want, but I prefer my finger, then my under eye, and this big pimple there. Okay, I'll just blend it and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I already blended using my fingertips. So as you can see, it's not really that balanced. So the reason why I conceal today, because I have visible blackheads right now and I want to cover it, because if I'm just going to use powder, it will be very visible. Okay, for the final touches, I always use a sponge, of course, just to smoothen everything in place, just to make sure that it's well blended, not just the finger. Okay, so I just put on the under eye and dark spots, blemishes around my face, and that's it. Okay, next, let's continue. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock It setting powder in the shade Translucent. So what I do, I just take a fluffy brush, this one from Eco Tools, then start with the under eye, buff it just like that. So I put a lot just to make sure that it's well set. So you have to blend it, blend. So if you notice, I'm wearing the clips and I love it. Make sure also, if you put a lot of powder, you want to make sure that it's well blended and it's not too white on your skin. Okay, there are powders that makes your face really white, you know. I don't have a very perfect skin, okay guys. Next, let's go with the blush. You know that my favorite is the Vice Cosmetics in the shade Manika, but for today I'm going to use a little bit darker and reddish, which is this one from ELF. I'm going to use same brush, I think. I don't know, I just love this brush. Okay, let me just get this one. It's a fluffy brush, it's a big one. I'm going to use this one first, then okay, there. Okay, that's too red now. Okay, I think I'm good with that. Let me just blend it more. Some on the sides of the nose. Oh, I don't feel like the outcome, so I'm going to add the Aura blush in the shade Manika. So very light, it's just like too red for me. And now I just wanna add and pop, you know, my nose. So I'm going to contour my nose, but not on the cheeks, not all over the face. You see the difference if you have nose line? Normally, I double set my lids. I just want to make sure that it won't crease. Either I have concealer or nothing at all. Today, I'm going to use this one, same, the Kat Von D. I'm going to use this one, the Lyric, and just put it on my lids. I normally use and put a lot, and also on the under eye, just to add highlight. Okay, just like that. And let's add on the sides of the nose. Next, I'm going to highlight. I'll be using the MAC Hyper Real Glow. I'm going to use pink. This one, it's there. Get Lit on the highlight points of my face, which is this one. Then going upwards, very light. So I love this one lately. It gives me the perfect, you know, like pinkish summer glow. So making sure that it's well blended and not too scattered. You see that my clip is shiny. Okay, then on my nose, I'm going to use, what do you think? I'm going to use this one on my nose. Cupid's bow of the extra. You know, I really want to add more and more. Next, for the eyebrows, that's comb. So it's really bushy. I'm going to use this one from Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. So just as easy as like that. I put it upwards, just like that. Then slowly do it like that. So I want to make sure that it looks very perfect. See that? I love it, guys. Bushy eyebrows, but I have to really maintain to have threading or wax. Okay, I think I'm good with that. Okay, now for the mascara, we're almost done, guys. I'm going to curl my eyelashes very quickly, then put the mascara on. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Total Temptation as always. See my nose line? It gives me a very nice nose. You see the highlight from MAC? Looks great. Okay, that's just one coat of the mascara. So I'm showing you right now that the curler really gives, you know, the impact. Not only the mascara itself to put your lashes up. So there, that's second coat. And I'm going to put on the lower lashes as well. Very carefully so you don't mess up, okay? Just two coats, see? See the difference? Okay, now we're almost done. I'm going to put my lipstick, and of course, you know what's my favorite, the Bare Minerals. So this one I'm going to use Bare Minerals, their matte liquid lipstick in the shade Weekend. So this is the mini size. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So please don't forget to like, comment down below, and share this video to your families and friends. And please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you on my next one. I hope you enjoy watching. Bye! Mwah!